Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and get the link in your bio without having 1,000 followers. Now, as you guys can see on my screen right now, I have 542 followers, and basically I actually have the link in my bio right here. So before, there used to be, you used to have 0 followers and you could automatically get the link in your bio, but with the new updates and stuff, they started getting stricter with account creations and stuff. So they basically implemented this new update where you needed 1,000 followers to actually get the link in your bio, which is really stupid, but let's go ahead and get right into it, where I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually go ahead and get it. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is head to the top right corner with the 3 lines. Now basically I want to go ahead and click on that and then head over to settings and privacy. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over down to support, and then you're going to want to go ahead and head over to report a problem. Now basically here you could see there's a lot of topics that you can actually click from that are related to whatever your problem is, but we're gonna go ahead and click on the account and profile topic, and you're gonna get sent to this page where it gives you more topics. So basically what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is click on the editing profile portion and then head over and go to the related one, which is actually change account bio. So basically once you're actually here, it's going to give you this whole entire process, which it doesn't really work. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go to, is your problem resolved? You're going to want to click no on this. And then once you guys are here, you're going to get the need more help button. So basically just go ahead and press that. And then you can see I already did it before, but you can go ahead and light your way through this if you want, or if you really do need it for a certain cause, just go ahead and put, I want the link in my bio for business. So just pretty much light your way through it, and then go ahead and send support the message. So you can actually add videos and pictures. So I would send pictures and videos of your account just to show the TikTok admins and stuff about the issue that you actually do have. So go ahead and submit it, guys, and they'll get back to you within maybe 2 to 3 days, maybe a week at times, but that's kind of really pushing the limit for them actually answering you. But that's pretty much how you go ahead and do it, guys, and that's pretty much how I was able to actually get the link in my bio. So anyways, I'll see you guys for the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys for the next video.